The question says about the system of pulleys of first type. There are three pulleys and the weight is 350 that can be just supported by an effort of 50 newtons. Find the efficiency of the machine and the amount of friction. So number of pulleys mentioned over here is 3 and the weight that needs to be lifted is 350 newtons and effort that is being imposed is 50 newtons. So for this case, the expression of efficiency for this case, the expression for velocity ratio is equal to, that is VR equal to 2 to the power of n, that is 2, n is equal to 3, so this will be equal to 8, and efficiency is given by mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio. Mechanical advantage is W by P whole divided by velocity ratio. So that W is 350 divided by P is 50 divided by 8 it is. This would be 7 by 8, which is approximately 0.875 or 87.5%. And this last bit they are asking to calculate is amount of friction. So frictional effort needs to be calculated. Frictional effort, that is FA, is equal to actual frictional effort, that is F subscript effort, is equal to actual effort minus ideal effort it would be. So actual minus ideal can be written as ideal is load by velocity ratio. So actual here it is 50 and ideal would be load by velocity ratio. Load is 350 divided by 8 it is. So this would be 8 ones and 8 fours 32 and this would be 30. So 8 threes is 24. So this would be 8 threes is 24 and 6 it is. 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means it is 0.75. So this would be 43.75. So 50 minus 43.75 is 6.25 newtons is the friction lost or frictional effort that is been lost.